Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of settings. On the application of Snapchat, we go to settings. Here in this page, we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you will write the name of this application of Snapchat and we click here. Then in this page of app info, we go to first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.